अच्छा, हम इस्लामिया 2021 के क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 को सॉल्व करेंगे. व्हाट इज़ बिलीफ इन द डे ऑफ जजमेंट, एक्सप्लोर इट्स इफेक्ट्स ऑन इंडिविजुअल एंड कलेक्टिव लाइव्स ऑफ ह्यूमन बींग्स. ओके, let's start. Belief in hereafter or day of judgment, akhirat. ठीक है. Introduction is belief in the last day, the day of resurrection, the day of reckoning, the day of requital is one of the fundamental beliefs of Islam. Belief in the hereafter gives meaning to life. It means our life is accountable to the highest authority that is neither biased nor ignorant. We will be rewarded or punished according to our deeds. Everyone will be treated and judged the same way. Justice will be served even if it was not upheld. In this world, reward will be given to those who deserve them and punishment served to the criminals. Belief in God and hereafter go hand in hand. They complement each other. The inherent quality of justice which exists in all human beings can only be fulfilled if there is akhirah. In this world, true justice is not always present, and some people don't get the justice they deserve, but the knowledge that their God is watching and will give them justice is sufficient to wait and live their life in patience and peace. Impacts of belief in hereafter on the life of individual. पहले हमने just introduction दिया है, ठीक है. अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन क्या है कि व्हाट इज़ बिलीफ इन द डे ऑफ जजमेंट. ठीक है, ये हमने बता दिया. उसके बाद हमने बताना है कि फैक्ट्स क्या है इंडिविजुअल पर और कलेक्टिव. Effects of belief in hereafter on the life of individual. Number 1, attaining taqwas as the ultimate reward. A believer must believe in the hereafter if he is to be called a believer. Indeed, the believers can't be a Muslim if he or she does not believe in the hereafter. Believing in the hereafter increases the taqwa. An individual, he believes that one day he will meet his creator and that everything he does is for the hereafter. And truly in the Quran is stated that the life in this world is but a delusion. Okay, sense of accountability and answerability. The concept of punishment and reward after death keeps man hopeful and makes him think before he does any act of evil. It enhances a sense of accountability and answerability in him, promoting to be very delicate and thoughtful of his actions towards every single soul. The Prophet, peace be upon him, asked his follower to treat everyone with kindness because of Allah loves kindness. Sense of responsibility. The thought of akhirah hereafter develops a sense of responsibility in an individual. He knows that he will be accountable for whatever he does, and hence he tries to be careful of what he does. Though human beings are prone to mistakes, it is still advised to them to be careful, as every act of theirs has a repercussion and consequence of some sort. An individual is asked to be mindful of his tongue and all of his other senses, but it's seeing, hearing, touching, or thinking he has to be wary on all of these accounts. It helps in character building. What the belief in hereafter also does is to build a character of an individual which promotes good acts and good deeds. The believer knows that he is going to face the music and at some stage or another. Therefore, he strives to do well. The believer tries to find good and do good. He takes care of his doing, tries not to disobey the commandments of Allah, and do his best to be in the right of conduct. It develops a sense of reformation and correction. The Prophet said that in every century, Allah sends among the people a reformer who tries to revive Islam and brings reformation and correction out to the society. What believing in the hereafter does is tantamount to what that particular reformer brings. The belief in the hereafter makes a man to reform himself first. Once he reforms himself, he tries to reform the society with the teaching of the Prophet. He tries to correct the people from doing wrongful acts which they are unknown to. Okay, G. Inclination towards good deeds and other things. I think that hereafter imbibes in us in the inclination toward doing good deeds, as he knows that he will be accountable for his acts. Therefore, he tries to do only good. Keeping himself away from bad, he keeps himself preoccupied by doing good deeds and trying to avoid sinful acts. This is why the Prophet, peace be upon him, urged the people to often visit the graves, as it would remind them of the hereafter. Salvation from evils and wrongdoings. A believer does not commit sins when he knows that he will be facing the music on the day of judgment. The believer tries to stay away from the wrongdoings and seek salvation from evil acts. Man knows that he has to meet his creator, and that one day all of this will come to an end. The way Quran describes the sheerness of the punishment indeed brings chills down the spine of any individual, whereas the thought of heaven makes one hopeful and gives men the drive to do good, consistency on the right path. A believer who continuously ponder over the hereafter is a good believer. Indeed, those who are Muslim and yet are forgetful of their final destination are the ones who are inconsistent and equivocally on the wrong path. Those who are wary of the consequences of their wrong deeds will try their maximum to be consistent in good deeds and to be on the Siratul Mustaqim straight path. The importance of the straight path can be gauged from the fact that during every prayer salat it has been made more compulsory for Muslims to ask for the straight path in the compulsion of Surah Fatiha. Spending one's wealth for the cause of Allah. A true believer of the hereafter knows that sooner or later he will die, he will have to face his doings on the day of judgment. Thereafter, Therefore, he commits himself on doing well. He spends in the way of Allah. He gives zakat and gives alms to the poor. A person who knows that his sadaqat, alms giving, will not only purify his money in the world, knows also that the same money would be beneficial for him in the hereafter. Non-eternal nature of this world. A true believer accepts the non-eternal nature of the world. He knows that all of the creation of God will, and as He, the Almighty, says in the Quran, everyone on it earth is assailed to perish. Knowing of this, a man does not attach his whole heart to this where he keeps himself in doing good and not being greedy and materialistic. Although human beings are asked to be steadfast and wavering while committing good acts, they are also told not to be ascetic or practice celibacy. Elimination of pride and proud, elimination of pride and arrogance rises in the believer who knows that whatever he has is because of Allah is given. In a hadith stated by the Prophet, when Allah gives, there is no one who can stop Allah from giving, and when Allah sends, there is no one who can give to the man. This suggests that man should be thankful for what he has done and believe that whatever he has is by the blessing of Allah. Believing in the hereafter makes man thought of what Allah has given them through his bounties and how he will be accountable for everything given to him. Development of spirit of sacrifice. After the Prophet lost his son Qasim, the mushriks made fun of Prophet. Allah revealed Surah Kahf and asked the Prophet to do good and sacrifice. Even in the hardest of times, Allah promised his messenger that Allah will reward him with Al-Kawthar, abundance, that but should also do good sacrifices. Shows how one must have the spirit of sacrifice and how death and its connection, and have to teach one the spirit of sacrifice. Okay जी. It brings patience in the character of believer. Belief in the hereafter enables us to bear trials and tribulation with patience and forbearance, so that man emerges from such trial burnished like gold emerging from the furnace. Check on animalistic tendencies. Belief in the hereafter has saved people from being careless of chastisement, and has also prevented the God-fearing from envying the evildoers. In fact, it is this belief which prevents man from descending to the level of an animal. Impacts of belief in hereafter on society. ये आ जाएगा आपका collective, ठीक है, आ जाएगा आपका and collective lives of human beings, ठीक है. Social control in the society. A society that believes in the hereafter and the day of judgment knows that it will one day cease to exist. It establishes social control in society. The society acts in unity and adheres to its policies for all with the same importance. Every person is treated with the same importance. There is social control over evil and wrongdoings. A pious society in production. A society being consistently reminded of the hereafter is a pious society in production. The society which is pious can be reflected from the living standard of it and how much togetherness there is among its people. Tolerance obtained by recalling its responsibility to whatever happens. A believer of the hereafter holds steadfast and does not be unthankful for whatever he has. This collective forbearance brings inside the society a system of tolerance and makes the society tolerant against tyranny or any other kind of oppression. The society is caring and keeps in mind every person in it. The society people have helps one another, and live life in tolerance and destitute. Rule of law: all men are equal in the eyes of God. Mutual care and respect, caring of each other. And other major factor which the hereafter brings into effect is the mutual care and respect for another, for one another. Society which knows its final destination knows that it ought to be caring and respecting. Every person will be responsible for his or her acts. Therefore, every human being will try to be humble, modest, and caring towards the other. Elimination of social evils. All kinds of social evils are born into the world. When a person forgets that he will have to answer for every last of his actions, life after hereafter, and the day of judgment becomes a distant future from which he feels he is far away from, and that he will never die. All of this is but an illusion, living a life of living a life of a pipe dream won't get the person anywhere. On the other hand, he will have to pay for his sins. Therefore, a person persistently being reminded of the hereafter seeks to eliminate all social evils in the society. Society prospers and becomes a place well habitual. Conclusion: the belief in the hereafter naturally has a great influence on the life of a believer. When he knows that God is watching all his actions, his behavior will be responsible. He will always endeavor to lead his life in consonance with the will of God, and will inevitably avoid any course which will incur God's displeasure. Furthermore, the concept of hereafter gives a fuller meaning and purpose to the life of the believer. One who firmly believes in the concept will not give in to greed and other such worldly feelings. He will not be a materialist